Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. The YouTube video primarily discusses Holosim, a game mode within the Star Atlas ecosystem, emphasizing its fun and strategic gameplay, and noting that if you're not playing it, you're missing out. Holosim is described as similar to Sage in having the same 3 factions and star-based positions, but it operates under a different set of rules that make it faster and more unhinged. Players begin with a single ship and basic resources, progressing through a quest system that serves as a cool onboarding tool for Starbase, teaching essential mechanics for playing Sage. As players complete quests, they gain XP, level up their console ranks, and unlock new features such as new ships, crafting recipes, and automation mechanics. The main mission of Holosim involves players collectively fulfilling contracts for their faction to win the game, with factions currently in a close race. A key aspect of Holosim is the competition and cooperation among factions, where players aim to fulfill their own contracts while also hindering the development of rival factions, often by targeting their miners to disrupt supply chains and diminish their capacity to craft new ships or redeem contracts. There are 4 different career specializations: merchants, combat/soldiers, miners, and data runners, each linked to specific ship types. Players note the strategic and tactical nature of combat, highlighting factors like cooldowns, warp ranges, and mixing ship types. The game strongly rewards active players, with even top leaderboard positions being achievable through consistent engagement rather than just financial investment. The strong community within Holosim is also highlighted, with players actively communicating, discussing strategy, cooperating on missions, and helping each other with bugs and quests, especially through faction-specific Discord channels. The live development process of Holosim is praised, with developers like Xcode consistently listening to community feedback, theory crafting solutions, and implementing changes and bug fixes very quickly. While generally positive, discussions also touched on areas for improvement in Holosim. New players often struggle with the tutorial, particularly concerning saving their progress and understanding quest check-ins, suggesting a need for better in-game guidance like visual cues for completed quests. The development team is actively addressing this, with features like a crew bonus from the tutorial acting as a catch-up mechanic for newer players. There was also a discussion on automation, with some players favoring more automation for tasks like crafting to promote healthier play habits and allow for more engaging gameplay in shorter sessions, while others prefer the current lack of extensive automation as it gives active players a significant advantage. Ideas were floated about potential monetization avenues for Holosim, such as one-time payments for automation features or cosmetic ship skins, to support development without becoming a quote-quote transaction ocean. Furthermore, the need for better in-game notifications for attacks and nearby enemies was emphasized, along with potentially making ships a bit tankier to allow players more time to react to combat. The goal for future leaderboards is to offer more diversity, including expertise-specific leaderboards, combat, data running, and team leaderboards, to encourage specialization and group cooperation. Beyond Holosim, the video briefly covered other significant updates and events. The Council of Peace Assembly, COPA, is an upcoming guild competition where guilds present the value they've added to the Star Atlas ecosystem, with prizes for the top 3, Tier 3, 2, and 1 CSS respectively, and a direct communication channel with the Automata team for all valid submissions. The Johnny Awards are returning with new categories, including Community Member of the Year, Content Creator of the Year, and Most Popular Guild of the Year, with top nominees for some awards competing live in a trivia challenge. A new YouTube video created by Dominic Bain was released to serve as a high-level introduction to Star Atlas for new audiences, particularly those from other space games like Star Citizen, explaining the game and its use of blockchain. A sneak peek of Palm and Soul jetties was also shown, hinting at different tiers and a progression system coming in the summer. Lastly, upcoming community events were announced, including the Builder Hour for those developing within the Star Atlas ecosystem, a Gallia game night with giveaways, and council office hours for DAO discussions and feedback.